Dear students, this is the last session of this chapter, the 60th session. Let's discuss combinedly with all the adjustments about income and income statement and balance sheet. We'll give an illustration, the balances of one of the limited as on 31st March. Debit balances, premises, plant, stock, debtors, goodwill, cash at bank, calls in arrears, interim dividend, purchases, preliminary expenses, wages, general expenses, salaries, bad debts, debenture interest paid. These are debit balances. These are credit balances, share capital, 12% debentures, profit and loss account, bills payable, creditors, sales, general reserve, bad debts provision. It comes to the adjustment, depreciate plant by 15%, write off 5,000 rupees 5,000 from preliminary expenses, half year debenture interest due, credit 5% provision on debtors for doubtful debts, provide for income tax at 50%. Stock on 31st March 19 was rupees 9,50,000. A claim of rupees 25,000 for workman compensation is being disputed by the company. So all these are the adjustments. Must prepare final accounts of the company. While preparation of profit and loss account, all balances of sales as well as closing stock out of the revenue from operations, opening stock, purchases, wages to be deducted to get a gross profit, that is operating profit, and salaries, bad debenture interest paid, outstanding any interest to be added, general expenses, provision for doubtful debts, any new debts are there, new provisions are there to be added, old provisions to be deducted, depreciation on plant, preliminary expenses written off, provision for tax, all these to be deducted as non-operating expenses to get a net profit for the particular year. Out of that, interim dividend paid and other two is to be deducted, and balance brought forward from the past year to be added. The balance carried down to the balance sheet is rupees 50,000. So when it comes to the balance sheet, share capital, authorized capital is there 40 lakh rupees. Out of that, calls in arrears to be deducted 75,000. That is subscribed, issued and subscribed shares also 40 lakh. Out of that, calls in arrears to be deducted. This is the first note. Whereas in case of general reserve and profit and loss account to become second note, consider in the reserves and surplus. In case of third note, secured loans, 12% debentures, outstanding interest on that to be recorded. Current liabilities and provisions note, one is bills payable, creditors, provisions for taxation. These to be recorded. Total equity and liability side, 83 lakh 55,000. It comes to asset side, non-current asset, fixed assets, goodwill, premises, plant, less depreciation to be recorded, current assets, out of that, advances, loans and advances, stock, debtors, out of debtors, provision for bad debts to be deducted, cash at bank. In case of other current assets, such as preliminary expenses, out of that, return of value to be deducted. After deducting the return of value out of the preliminary expenses, the total will become 83 lakh 55,000. So equity and liabilities equals to assets 83 lakh 55,000. This is the way of preparation of combined income statement and balance sheet with the new adjustments. And in this session, multiple test question is the term financial statement covers profit and loss statement, balance sheet and profit and loss statement, appropriation account, profit and loss statement, and balance sheet. All of the above are false. Whichever is suitable, you can you can tick it that. Thank you. Overall, these sessions will cover. These are the references. You can go through that. SN Maheshwari, V.S. Raman, Jayanandaran, and Anil Kumar. Overall, gamut is preparation of income statement and balance sheet vertical formats with load numbers to be concentrated with different adjustments. Okay. Thank you so much.